everyone, it's Jenna. So I am so excited because I'm starting something new and I'm starting a new vlog. So if you didn't know, I'm also a photographer and I recently last year moved out into an apartment. So my bedroom, my childhood teenage bedroom, which I redid when I was in college, is now empty. There's no bed in here. And so I'm actually going to be turning it into a second photo studio for my brand shoots. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now. We are going to be going to Ikea and getting a new bookshelf, so you'll be coming with me for that. And then hopefully I'll show you the final photo shoot ready studio at the end of the video. So let's check out the room. Okay, so currently filled with a lot of stuff. This room is going to be multi-use. So we have a closet here that was originally full of clothes, but now it's going to be full of Twin Cities Collective stuff, extra clothes up there, and then mostly just storage. I've got these like wheeled things. These are stuff for our workshops. I've got board of stuff, and then I've got files. This is all going to be cleaned out, but I'm going to be keeping this desk in here. All this is going to be going away. My old baton from baton twirling. We're going to keep the couch in here, and I'm also going to be keeping the chair. But over here where this like mirror is going to become a different type of storage, and that is going to be an Ikea bookshelf. So that's what we're going to be buying today. So I'm really excited to head to Ikea and pick that up.
Two hours later.
Ta-da! So this is the new bookshelf. I put a few props on it, but I'm probably going to change these around. But so basically what I did is I took out the thing that was on the wall here. It took a while to take down. I didn't really want to film that. And then I moved this in here and then just started adding props to this. And then over here I added this awesome, it was $12 you guys for this like clothing rack. And it's cool because you can put shoes on there. So this is going to be not only a prop for my photo shoots, but also a way for people to hold their clothes. Most of the time people have multiple things to wear, so it'll be a great place to put it. I just put a few of my cutest outfits on here. Obviously we still have all this stuff. My mom put the Keurig over here, so if people at the photo shoot want coffee, this is going to be something that we actually use. I'm still got like so much crap to go through, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So hopefully when you see the final video, I will be done and we'll have a ready to go photo studio. To mention, I moved all these polka dots over to this wall because originally, they were up here, but I thought that because I needed white walls for the photo shoot, I would move them. So it took a while, but I eventually kind of made this kind of a polka dot thing. So I'm not sure if people will use this wall, but I thought I'd just move the polka dots over. Guys, it's been a few days and I'm officially done with the photo studio. I'm going to give you guys a tour of the space. I can't wait for you to see it. Okay, so we'll get started over here. This is where I keep all of my extra pens, pencils, extra flowers, extra straws for some of my shoots. In here I have extra, this is all camera equipment and extra stuff for filming. Now you move over here, I have this desk. I got this probably about 5 or 6 years ago at the Container Store. It's from the Alpha brand. And I just have a lot of things on here. So this can be used for my photo studio. So if you want to use like a brown desktop, we can move all this stuff off. But it's great if you want kind of like a backdrop that's of a studio. Again, the reason that I'm doing this as a photo studio is everything can be moved around. I also have 2 Raskog cards from Ikea that can be used if you have maybe green colors or blue colors in your brand. So that's pretty cool. Moving over, we have the thing that I just built from Ikea. I decided to put all of my keyboards, my typewriters, excuse me, on top of here. So that's really awesome. Moving down, I've just kind of started filling out with some of my extra props. I probably will be redoing this, but this is what I got for now. So that is kind of this corner. Just lots of props over here. I also thought, so I did a photo shoot in here yesterday, and having a clothes rack is super helpful for when people come in for photos. And then also put your shoes. I have this little thing that you can put clothes on. It's like a little mannequin, so I got that. I have a couch, which can be used for photo shoots as well. I also have some other things that we've brought down, and what's nice is you can actually put stuff back there. A Keurig for my guests, as well as a TV, kind of like a little waiting area. I've got some more storage stuff in there. In here is more storage for other stock photo stuff. I've got backdrops here. I've got more backdrops down here, extra clothes. This is still kind of functioning as a closet. Studio. If you haven't checked out my other studio, make sure to check out that video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video where I update you on the second photo studio that I made in my house.